Hi everybody, welcome back to Glam Theory. As you can see, this is a different video. It's me close up showing off my hair. This hair is Bobbi Boss Indi Remi Ocean Wave, and recently I dyed it a different color, and this is how it came out. So I had this hair for about a month, and I think that this hair is amazing. It was about $98 a pack, and I love it. This is the best hair I've ever used, and it's still, as you can see, it's still in good condition. So I really like it, and I dyed it this color. It's like a raspberry cream. The box is actually, it's from Clairol. It's Natural Instincts Raspberry Cream. I forgot the color. I don't have the box. I threw it away, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. It's very red, but I had been looking on YouTube to see if anyone had dyed their Ocean Wave hair, and I hadn't seen it, so I just took a risk and I tried it out, and this is what it came out to be. So as you can see, it took the color very well, and I really like it. So that's all I have. That's all I wanted to say today. So thank you for watching. Take care.